ECE branch. Today my topic name is design of a JK flip-flops and their characteristics. Introduction to JK flip-flops. Flops are types of digital memory circuit used in sequential logic. They are widely used in various applications such as counters, shift register and memory devices. Understanding their design and characteristics is essential for digital circuit design. Basic operation of JK flip-flops. JK flip-flops has two inputs J and K and one output Q. It operates on the principle of the toggling the output based on the input conditions. The output state changes on the triggering edge of the clock pulse. Input condition. The JK flip-flops has four primary inputs. Condition J, K, equals J, K equals 0 and K equals 1. Each condition results in a different output behavior such as maintaining the previous state to or toggling. This versatility makes the JK flip-flops suitable for various applications in digital circuit. Truth table of JK flip-flops. Truth table summarizes under the behavior of the flip-flops under the different input state. It clearly states how the output Q change based on input JK and the clock signal. It clearly states how the output Q changes based on the input JK and the clock signal. Analyzing the truth table helps the understanding the timing relationship in the circuit. Characteristics of a table and equations. Characteristics of a table provide a consistent representation of the JK flip-flop operation. The next state Qt plus 1 can be deduced from the current state Qt and this inputs J and K. The characteristics equation can be expressed Q plus 1 equals JK K, Q highlights its functionality. Timing diagram. A timing diagram visually represents the relationship between inputs and outputs over time. It shows the output Q response to the clock signal and change based on the J and K inputs. Analyzing the time diagram are crucial for understanding the flip-flop's dynamic behavior. Advantages of JK flip-flops. JK flip-flops eliminate the ambiguity found in SR flip-flops. When both inputs are high, they can be used to create a toggling behavior, making them ideal for counter applications. Their versatility and reliability make them a popular choice in a synchronous circuit design. Application of a JK flip-flops. Application of JK flip-flops. Flops are commonly used in binary counters which count in binary sequence. They also serve as memory element in the register and can be used in a frequency division application. Additionally, the integral design state mission and digital switching circuits. Design consideration. When a design with JK flip-flops, timing consideration must be carefully considered. Set up and hold times are critical to ensure the reliable operations in a synchronous system. Proper circuit simulation is essential to validate the design before implementation. Conclusion. Briefly about explained J.K. flip-flops and their characteristics. Introduction to J.K. flip-flops. Basic operation of J.K. flip-flops. Input conditions. Truth table of a J.K. flip-flops. Characteristics timetable and characteristic table and equation. Timing diagram. Advantage of J.K. flip-flops. Application of a J.K. flip-flops. Design consideration. Conclusion. J.K. flip-flops are fundamental components in digital electronics, offering unique advantages. Their design involves understanding input condition, truth tables, and timing characteristics. Master of J.K. flip-flops is essential for anyone working in digital circuit design and the implementation. The structure outline covers the initial aspect of J.K. flip-flops, JK flip-flops and their. Thank you.